Welcome. Today we'll guide you on how to enable video autoplaying on mobile data on Facebook with the latest updates. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Open the Facebook app on your Android device. Ensure you're logged into your account to access your newsfeed. Step 2. Tap on the three-line menu icon located in the upper right corner of the app. This icon will open a menu with various options for customization. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and tap on Settings and Privacy. From there, select Settings to access the settings for your Facebook account. Step 4. In the Settings menu, continue scrolling down until you find the Media option. Tap on Media to access media-related settings on Facebook. Step 5. Within the Media settings, locate the Autoplay option. Tap on Autoplay to access the autoplay settings for videos on your Facebook app. Step 6. Under the autoplay settings, mark on mobile data and Wi-Fi. This setting allows videos to autoplay both on mobile data and Wi-Fi connections. By following these steps, you can customize your Facebook app settings to enable video autoplaying on both mobile data and Wi-Fi. Enjoy a seamless viewing experience regardless of your internet connection. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to enable video autoplaying on mobile data on Facebook. Adjust your settings to make the most out of your browsing experience and stay connected with engaging video content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Stay informed about the latest updates and features on social media platforms for a more personalized user experience.